So here's our third video for the laptop stand. Now I'm looking at the image here and we can see the arms. They're slightly different shapes. We don't need to worry about that. We can sort that out later. We can see we've got 4 sloping and then the one with the parallel sides in the middle. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create some joints. Okay, you can see that these parts are joined at the thickest part to there here. So we're going to first of all assemble a joint. Now if you've got a scroll wheel mouse, you can scroll. It's very easy to zoom in, and if you press the button you can pan as well, which is really useful because we want to select this piece here. We're going to assemble that to this here. If you could look at that, you see they're overlapping. So this offset here, we want that to be 3 millimeters. You can see how that's moved now. And I think we'll just put in there, we'll put an angle of 30. Okay, and we want to go to motion because we do want this to be able to move, so we'll do a revolute and it will spin it round for you just to show that it's created a revolute, and you can do OK. Right, we'll zoom out. We can move those because we haven't got anything grounded at the moment, so we can move those over there, and you'll know that we need to put another one of these on here. So we'll do the assembly again, assemble, and we're just going to basically go through this process to assemble these joints. So joint, we can select. Now we're selecting where we'd like the joint to be. It's just been a little bit, I'm not quite sure what's happening there. Seems to be having a bit of a problem with that. Ah, that's better. Here. And here, yeah. Oh, that's unusual, so we'll cancel that. That's not quite what we wanted, and we'll try it. So these things sometimes happen, so don't worry. You can just start again if it does something unexpected. So that looks better. I'm holding down the middle mouse button to move, zooming out. Now that looks better. Same thing again. You can see that it's actually doing a revolute because that was the last type of joint that we did. So it's assuming we want to do the same thing again, which we do. We'll do an angle of, see what 30 degrees looks like. Zoom that out. Now we click OK, and you can see that we have those. We should be able to move that, of course, because this isn't grounded, it's just moving the whole thing. I can't change that angle, but we can sort that out later. That is not a problem. So we've got those pieces joined, and then you're going to do exactly the same thing to join the others. I think I can leave you to do that yourself, just to do exactly the same process to join these other parts. Okay.